Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Black Forex Traders. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So today I'll be doing the weekly market analysis. So I'll be analyzing some few pairs with you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see on my chart, I have used the CAD. Let me make the watermark so that you can see the pairs that I'm talking about. Okay, my PC is a little bit slow, so bear with me. Okay, as you can see, this is decayed weekly, so I just left it here. But for this one, I'm gonna analyze it on smaller time frame. And we can start with 3-hour time frame. So if you look here, you can see this is where they reversed here. This is where they reversed. But for me, the bigger price that I have is this one here. These two candlesticks here. So as you can see, they failed to reach this level here, and this is not the first time they do so, because this is the first time is here, this is the second time, and this is the third time here. So I'm gonna be looking for a buy movement here to towards this level here. I'm not saying I'm gonna push the market. No, I'm just saying I'm gonna assume, because when you are analyzing, you are not 100% sure. But for me, I'm gonna look for a buy opportunity since the market is bullish ever since from this low here. So this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mark my swing high. As you can see here, we have a break of structure here. Okay, a break of structure. Then we have a swing low. I'm gonna use this one here. Then let's go to 2-hour time frame. Okay, on 2-hour time frame, I'm gonna adjust my line like this. This is my swing low, this is a break of structure here. Then this becomes my order block here. So let's not forget about this one here. Let me mark it like this. So let's go to 1-hour time frame. As you can see, my order block is still valid here. I can adjust my lines like this, since the order block is the last bearish candlestick in this case before the break of structure. So I'm gonna leave it there. Then this one is still valid. So I'm anticipating for the market to come here to test this level. Then they try and push towards this one here, and then they can go down. So this is 1-hour time frame. Even if we go to 30 minutes time frame, let me zoom it out so that you can see. You can see this becomes something like this. I'm gonna use it like this. So the market is just playing around this level here for now. But since you're looking for a buy movement, since the market is bullish from this point of view, they are trying to push the market towards this level here. So if I'm gonna put my lens like this, so if I'm gonna look for a buy here, this is where I'm gonna be buying here. This is my buy area here. This is my point of interest. This is my POI. This is my order block towards this level here, which is my supply zone. So this is all on USD. So let's move. Let's go to gold. Okay, as you can see, gold, I already analyzed this one here. So I already analyzed this one. As you can see, if I go to higher time frame, you see why I'm looking for a buy here. Let's go to weekly. You can see that we here. So I'm thinking the market is trying to push towards this high here. So even if we go to 4-hour time frame, then we zoom it out. can see it's far away, but it is. So I'm thinking the market sees from this bullish movement here. So they've been pushing up. So now, as you can see, they're still pushing up. So I'm thinking this is the level that they're trying to go. So in order for me to trade this movement, I will have to look for a buy area. So as you can see, this is where I found my buy area. Let's go to quick minutes time frame. Since I'm going to take my entry on a smaller time frame. So as you can see, this is my buy area here, or you can use this one here. This is the last bullish candlestick before the bearish candlestick, before the break of structure. So this is the last candlestick here. So this is where we're gonna be looking for a buy entry point here. So we're just gonna wait for the market to come here, and then you're gonna wait for them to give you a confirmation and rejection movement. Then you can buy gold from this point. So this is my analysis on gold. This is what I'm anticipating will happen. So as you can see now, they're at this high here. So for now, just watch out for this high. Watch out for this high here. So as you can see, if they break this high and create a new higher high, they will eventually come back to this one and then continue with their buy movement. So even if they reverse from this point here, so someone can say, why don't you look for this as a supply zone and take the market down, maybe somewhere around here? So yeah, it's correct. You can wait for the market when they open and see what's going to happen around here. Are they going to reject and go down, or are they going to break the market and go up? So, but for me, I'm going with this bullish movement here. So I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity here. I'm not going to be looking for this sell here. So I'm going to be looking for, even if they sell here, I'm going to wait for them around this point and see if they're giving me a rejection, and then I'm going to take it. I'm not saying anyone who's looking for a sell here is wrong, because I don't control the market. So we can be correct and then I can be wrong here. So it's up to the market to see, it's up to the market, the way they play. So we just have to follow their rules. So let's move on to Nasdaq. Okay, this is Nasdaq. This is my buying area. Sorry about that. This is from last week. I've been waiting for Nasdaq to come to this level of mine here. My supply zone here. As you can see, they failed to reach my supply zone from the first time was this one. The first attempt is this one. This is the second attempt. So as you can see, they came close to my supply zone, but they didn't touch my supply zone. So for now, as you can see, they pushed really down. So as you can see here, we have what? The rally, the base, and then the rally. So this becomes my demand zone. So I'm anticipating for them to try to go down here, and then eventually they will come back to my supply zone. So I'll wait for the market to come to this point here, and then I'm gonna buy Nasdaq here. So this is the 10 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is an intraday trade. So you just have to wait for them to push down on Monday and see if they can reach this level on Monday, then wait for the rejection candlestick, then buy Nasdaq from this point. So this is my my demand zone here. So if they decide to break this level here, then this here will become my second demand here, where I will look for another buy opportunity. If they don't respect this first level here, then this will be my second option here. So we have these two options here. So the first one is what we're gonna be looking at. So we're gonna be looking at this one here. So if they break this one, then that's where we're gonna go for the second one here. So that's all on Nasdaq. Let's go to another pair. It's AUD. Go to weekly. Okay, on weekly you can see we have a beautiful movement here. If this swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, they broke the structure here, they also broke the structure here. Then they tried to push up, they reversed here, they went down, then they triggered this that very same high. It was out, but eventually look at where the market is going. It's going for this one here. So this is where I'll be looking for a sell or looking to sell. This is the level here. This is the level here. Then let's go to daily time frame. As you can see, this is my level here. So I'm just gonna adjust my lines so that I can get the exact level where I'm gonna be looking for a sell. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. We can end up here. Since we analyze this from higher time frame, if I go to smaller time frame, we won't be able to see this level here because the candlestick will be so many. So I'm gonna end up here. So as you can see, this is where the market is trying to push through. This is the level here. So we just have to wait. So this is more like a swing trade since this is a higher time frame analysis. As you can see, we're just gonna have to wait for maybe a day or two until they reach this level here. Then you can go down, or even 3 weeks. So not 3 weeks, 3 days or 4 days. It depends on how the market is moving. So if they're moving fast, yes, it can take few days to reach this level here. Then you can put your sell limit here. Then forget about it. Then come check it after some few days or few hours and see how the market is moving. Then that's how it is. So this is my analysis on AUD USD. Then let's see what we have. Okay, we have AUD CAD. Same thing on this one. They're not that different. With USD, AUD USD. So on this one here, you can see we have something like a drop, base drop, a drop, base, then another drop. So, and then we also have this one here, the rally, the base, and the drop, right? So these are our three levels. So I'm gonna be using this one here. The continuation pattern is this one here. So I'm anticipating the market is gonna reach this level, and then they're gonna continue with their movement down like this, maybe towards this level. I don't know. So let's analyze this one daily. Okay, this is my supply zone. Okay, also on this one, I won't go to smaller time frame because the market, the candlesticks will be many, so we won't be able to see where we are. So let's use it like this. Let's see if I can zoom it out. Okay, here it is. This is the level. So this way I'll be looking to do what? To sell AUD CAD. So this is also more like a swing trade like this. So you just have to wait for the market to reach this point here. Or if they go down here, then you can use this as the demand or this one as the demand. Then you just have to wait for the market to come here to and then go to this point and then they go down. So this is my other analysis, which is a swing analysis here. So let's go to the last one, which is NZD USD. This 4-hour. This one I analyzed it from last week. This is a last week analysis. So as you can see, the market reached. So what's going on? Okay, the market reached my supply zone here. So I've been waiting for the market since the market was somewhere around here, around here, or around here. I'm not sure, but somewhere around these 2 points here. So they've been pushing up towards this level. So here, so this is my QML level here. So I'm gonna be looking at this chart or this chart on Monday and see if the market is going to respect this level. As you can see, they already reached the level, so there might be a little bit of a gap to break the level and then go up, sorry, go down. So they'll be trying to match these two highs here. As you can see, the high is this line, the dotted line here. So they might break this level and try to match these highs and then they go down. So eventually, once you see the rejection movement and the pattern, then you just have to do what? To sell this trade. So that's all from me. I'll see you on the next video because as you can see, most charts they're consolidating. Some are going down, long way down. They don't reverse. Just like if I can give you an example, if I look at Euro JPY, you can see it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Also Euro USD, it's going down, it's going down. So I don't usually trade this kind of pace here. You can see what's happening here. Even on high time frame, the market is going down. So for me, they're really hard to analyze when they're doing something like this. So I'll just leave them until they reach a certain level where I can say, okay, here I'm going to be looking for a buy or a sell. So most pairs, they are consolidating or going straight up or straight down. So it's very difficult for me to analyze. So I just stick to these two pairs here, which will be easy for me to analyze.